In today's episode of Fix That Annoying Buzzer, we're going to show you how to turn off the annoying key chime on a F350 four-wheel drive 2006 through 2008. First thing is remove the inner door panel. Remove screws here. Remove screws in the bottom. Remove this cover. Remove the door facing. Careful not to tear up the wiring in it. Open up where the door latch is. There is two wires, a green with a purple stripe and a black with a purple stripe. Simply snip those wires and twist them together and put a connector on them, and it stops the ever-living aggravating door chime. That's your lesson for a rainy Saturday.